when I unveil the final product, it'll be something that everybody really says, wow. So we're on site today at this beautiful home. We've got a couple projects going on here. We're gonna be doing stone work for the fireplace, for the powder room, and of course for the kitchen. So we're here today mainly just to discuss the fireplace, go over exactly what the client wants, and make sure that we can make it happen. Let's go on inside and check it out.
I started
About a month ago, right?
yeah, we literally started demolition of this October 1st.
Yeah, I was gonna say it was about a month because we came in.
Yeah, but I knew that they, just like every client, they always want to add more stuff. The fireplace was like completely added on. There used to be a whole built-in there that we had a demo.
Oh, that wasn't even
Yeah,
part of
our
it. Oh,
scope.
wow.
And then we renovated the foyer, and that wasn't part of our scope.
Right.
And then we eliminated all of these walls in here to open up this thing entirely.
Right, because there was a wall that was separating this.
But we were supposed to always knock this thing down because the wall was up to here. The wall we literally knocked down and it stayed up to here. And then it seemed like it was a mistake.
Right.
So I thought, why don't we just keep going? But in here there was electric and plumbing.
I thought there was plumbing coming out of the floor, right? Wasn't
Yeah,
there?
so we rerouted everything all in here.
Oh, wow.
You know, and then there was like a lot of lighting and speaker stuff that I knew they wanted to throw.
This fireplace is very important to the client. They really wanted it to be the focal point of the living room area. They did obviously knock down some walls and open up this area so you could have a larger space between the kitchen and the living room area. So the fireplace, like I said, it's crucial for them. They want to make sure it really stands out in the home. So as I said, we are doing a hearth area, which is going to be right here. It's going to have a 3-inch miter on it. And then we are going for phase 2. It will be 2 side pieces, also mitered out. So you have a bolder presence when you have the side profile of the fireplace. So those pieces will run both on the left and right side of the fireplace. And then the third and final phase will be a center piece, which is really what makes the fireplace come alive. And that's the veining that we were able to create a book match. So you will actually see the veins coming out from the center, and we'll have one large block on the entire face of the fireplace. The hearth will go in first here. Then, like I said, Monday we'll do the 2 sides here. And then Wednesday will be the face. What I think they're gonna do today is also check those measurements because we already cut the sides, but they just wanna check, see if anything needs to be trimmed down based on the hearth going in and making sure that, you know, it's centered, it's in good.
This guy be in your way, so I held him off by another like week and a half or so.
Okay, to do the
after
fire.
we put all the stone in, this stuff will come out.
Gotcha. The kitchen is gonna have 2 different materials in it. There's gonna be a Mont Blanc quartzite as well with Grigio Carnico. For the islands. The island's gonna have waterfalls. Backsplash is gonna be a full height backsplash. It's gonna be a very, very beautiful kitchen. You know, altogether, once this house is complete, I'm excited. It's gonna be a phenomenal home. So I know the client's excited. They've seen some renderings. We're finalizing some renderings still of the kitchen. And like I said, just looking forward to see this thing come together.
Waterfalls here only.
Not on this one.
A 3-inch end panel for here.
Gotcha. That's that guy right there.
3-inch end panel. I'm just doing this so that we have enough room for all our GFIs on the sides.
Gotcha.
And then the back portion of this will have a repetition of this, which is probably here somewhere. But the same thing of this, just elongated along this end.
Gotcha. This actually, that was another thing I was hoping to see. I was gonna try to touch base with, is it Sharon?
Yeah.
Sharon, and see if she had elevations, because I looked through all the drawings for the guys and
I have them.
we do have elevations, okay. See, I need this.
That's the mudroom.
Yeah, but I need the elevations
be
for
in
the
there,
other, let's see.
Let's see.
A lot of mudroom.
That's this.
Yeah. I don't see it.
Okay.
Nope. Okay.
I can get them to you.
So yeah, see if you can get me that. That would be a huge help for the guys, just so they can make sure they got measurements and stuff correct on that back wall. As I mentioned before, you know, I was on site for the initial meeting with the homeowner, the designer, and the builder. So wanted to, you know, when projects like this start, it's very important to listen to your client, listen to the designer. You know, everyone has so much input. And if you're not careful to pick up on the important details of what they want and what they want to achieve in the final product, you miss things, and it creates a lot of confusion, and you're going back, double checking things, and just makes for mayhem. So, it was important to be on site for that initial meeting, really make contact with them and understand what they want to do. So I've been here since the start. I was here for measurements when the templaters came. It's been an important thing to really see this project start to finish. So I am here today for phase 1 of the installation, and I will be here for the other phases. Like I said, if you treat it like a baby, it'll be just like a baby. It'll be yours, So this one's mine, and I've really got to see this thing, like I said, start to finish. So hopefully, when I unveil the final product, it'll be something that everybody really says, wow. I think that's another important factor for us. When you're working on custom work like this, you want to have the wow factor. You really want to show the clients and everybody that's watching, because in this day and age, social media, everybody's checking to see what you're doing, what the latest projects you're working on are. So it's important to deliver that wow factor. When people look at the work you're doing and they say, wow, they're going to be the ones that are looking for you on their next project. So it's important to make sure that we get it right, and we get it right the first time. With the material, and it's natural stone, so there's not going to be other slabs that are like the ones that the client chose. So there's very little room for error. We have to get it right the first time. So details matter. Paying attention to the client matters, and ultimately we're the custom fabricator, and this is what we specialize in. So we'll get it done.